Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool glow neon text effect on CapCut PC. Select text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in glow wing, and you can also change the font. I'm just going to choose this one, just the font size. You can then change the color here. Okay, then you're going to go to effects, go to details, and you're going to add in the prog effect, which is this one. I like to add it on a little bit. You can adjust the filters and the strength here. I like the strength to be at 100%. And then you're also going to want to go to basic, and you're going to add in the edge glow to it. You can also adjust the edge glow here, and then you're going to go to shadow, and you're going to lastly add in the angel effect here. You can again adjust the strength, and that is it. Basically, you can also add in an animation to the text here. I like the wave one kind of. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!